fucked up.
All right. It's the moment of truth here.
We let
What have we got behind door number 1?
let it run too low on oil, and we got a little ticking noise. We're hoping that we don't have any shavings in there.
It's pretty dark.
So yeah, here it comes. Looking for no metal parts in there at all. We let it run too low, and we're gonna find out here. Okay, where's the oil filter base? You see it over there?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, get that loose. Well, let's let this straight. Let me turn it off. There's nothing in there. Cool.
All right. I think we're good.
Yeah, I don't see any shavings in there. Well, we'll know more when we dump it out.
Nothing in the bottom. Just some contamination, huh? Here, flip it back over to the other side and see if it changes. Nope.
Looks good.